before start the video, I want to introduce our member group. Number one is me, Arya Wiraja, NIM 19053003, and the second one is Anissa Putitami 19053002, and the last one is Marleni Purnama Dewi, NIM 91053083.
Economic system. The first understanding of the economic system, according to expert 1. Gilarso. The economic system is the whole procedure for coordinating people's behavior in carrying out economic activities, so that an orderly and dynamic unity can be formed and chaos in the economic file can be expert. 2. Gregory Grossman and Emmanuel. The economic system is a set of components or elements consisting of economic units and economic institutions which are not only interconnected and interacting but also support and influence one another. Number 3. Make it trend. A set of mechanisms and institutions to answer the question of what, how, and for whom goods and services are produced. The economic system is a way of regulating and organizing all economic activities in members of society, both by the government and the private sector, based on certain principles in order to achieve prosperity or welfare. As a system that regulates people's life, that economic system has the following function. The first, provide a stimulus for production. Second, provide means or methods for organizing and supervising individual activities in the economy. The last, creating a certain mechanism so that the distribution of production result among the community can be honored properly. The next, the economic system that developed in the world takes several from their classification. 1. Traditional economic system. 2. Common economic system. 3. Liberal economic system. 4. Mixed economic system. 5. Indonesian economic system. Okay, I will explain each economic system. The first, traditional economic system, a system in the organization of economic life based on habit, community tradition from generation to generation that rely on production factors as they are.
Okay, I'm Marleni Purnama Dewi, NIM 1x053014. I will explain about Indonesian economic system. B. Indonesian economic system. In Indonesia, the economic system of a late is the Pancasila economic system. The ideal foundation of the Pancasila economic system is the Pancasila, not one that the Pancasila economic system is also mentioned in the 1945 Constitution in the Article 33, paragraph 1 to 4. The Pancasila economic system is the an economic system that is carried out with the values and the moral contained in the Pancasila as is the basis. This economic system was chosen because it implies economic democracy. Therefore, the Pancasila economic system is also often referred to as a democratic economic system. Characteristic of the Indonesian economic system. Number 1. Every economic activity that is carried out is a joint activity or mutual cooperation that is more focused on the promoting families. Number 2. The state controls various branches of the production which are the strategic and the important to many people. Number 3, the state reason for controlling strategic production branch in the country is for the welfare of the people. Number 4, there are several components of the mixed economic system that are applied to the Pancasila economic system. Number 5, economic activity carried out by the state and society must be sustainable and environmentally friendly. Number 6, the Indonesian government also has the right to supervise the activities carried out by the private sector in the general to avoid fraud, monopoly, and the trade mafia practice. The goal is of the course to create justice in the society. Implementation of the Pancasila economic system in Indonesia. Number 1, the existence of the state-owned enterprises, BUMN. As mentioned earlier, the branches which are important and related to the livelihood of the people are regulated by the state. Therefore, the state plays a role by the creating BUMN. Number 2, the existence of the cooperative. The existence of the cooperative is a form of the implementation of the Pancasila economic because cooperatives are collective efforts based on the principle of the kinship. Number 3, the existence of a worker union. Trade union exist to the anticipate and minimize the possibility of the exploitation of the human resources.
C. Is the Indonesian economy increasingly liberal? The Indonesian economy is not increasingly liberal, but still addressed to the Pancasila economic system. This can be seen from the existence of BUMN, because in this Pancasila economic system, the state control various branches of product which are strategic and important to many people, such as water, electricity, oil and gas, and many more. If liberal is an economic system where every individual has the greatest freedom to carry out economic activity in order to get the maximum benefit. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, there is still bidding regulation regarding individuals who want to seek minimum profit in carry out economic activity, such as Law Act of 1999 concerning consumer protection, which is intended so that both of business actor and consumer of the law and of the justice, so that they cannot be arbitrary man is in seeking profit and economic activity. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand about the material, and see you.